Today's topic is geometry, and in geometry I will teach you circle, and I will teach you the terms related to circle. First of all, subscribe my channel Math VBN. So the topic is circle. This is a circle, plane, surface, and this is a circle, and there are different points associated with circle. And first of all, I would like to say that this is a center of a circle. This is the center of a circle, and this is point A, which lies inside circle. This is point B, which is lies at circle, and this is point C, which is lies outside the circle. So this is interior point and this is exterior point. This is point on a circle. This is simply the points. Now we have a circle. In this circle, this is a center, and draw this line and this line. We draw two lines from center, this line and this line. This is called center, and the whole boundary of circle is called arc. This is called arc. Now this region inside between two radii, this region is called sector. And what is sector? It is the region that bounded by radii and arc of a circle. Now this region from this to this point to this point and this point to this surface, this is called region sector. So these are radius of a circle, radii. Now draw this circle. This is the center. The line which passes through the center of a circle and touches on the both boundaries of a circle is called diameter. Diameter. The line passes through a center of a circle and touches on the ends of the circle. Diameter we defined. Now come to the point radius. It is the half of diameter. It is the half of diameter. Let's see here. This is centered. If we cut this point, this is radius, this is radius, and from any side this is radius. You can define this, you can draw this. These are radius. Now we will talk about this one and this one. We will talk about this region from this end to this end. It is called segment. Segment of a circle. Now look at the region which is enclosed in between the chord and the arc. The region which is bounded between chord and arc of a circle is said to be segment. Now this is a circle, this is a center. Any line which touches on the two ends of a circle, means on the boundary from one boundary to another, is called chord. This line in a circle is called chord. This was chord, like line AB. AB is chord. If we talk about this line, this is called arc. Means this is called arc. Now this point, draw this line. This is a line. Now make this angle 90. This is a line. This is called tangent. Now tangent, what is tangent? Tangent is any line that touches a circle on one point externally. Let's see here. This is a line, this is a tangent line which is touched outer side, means at one point on a circle, which is called tangent line. Now in this circle, this is a line. This is called secant. Secant, what is secant? Secant is the extended form of chord. Now look at here, this is chord, and this line from this point to this point means this line passes through the circle, means one side to another side, and this is extended mean additional form of chord. So this is a circle, centered, sector. I have lets you know all the things related to circles, the lines, the points in the circle. These are the possible points which we have faced while doing geometry, and in geometry when doing circle, these are the possible points we will talk, and we are associated with these points. I have lets you know people in detail and with the help of shapes, the points. I hope you people have got the idea. If you people still have any problem, you can ask, just comments under my video. And in the end, I would like to ask, please subscribe my channel Mathvivian for more videos. See you in the next lecture. Bye.